Maybe come in the tailgate, Charles,
Huh?
and then put yourself on this side of the ladder, holding
Me?
it. Put yourself on this side. Yeah, that's what. Yeah.
Yeah, holding, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And it makes it stronger for me. Sorry.
No problem.
Okay,
Enough?
I think this one here is going to be the last two.
No, if you cut it, you maybe.
Oh, it's going to fall.
No?
The ladder's going to fall.
No.
Yeah, it's just barely hanging on. It took the pressure off the.
You feel it, right?
Yeah, no, I could see it. It's only hanging on this much.
Oh, so dangerous. Just put in here. You put in my truck. That's
So,
better.
can we lift it up a little bit more? Or?
We cannot just cut that one?
That one I can cut. I'm afraid. This one maybe not. Maybe it's okay.
Yeah, you fall that way, right?
Okay, let's take the ladder down and we'll cut it right from there then.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, the rest will fall, I think.
Do that way, right?
Yeah. Because that part's heavier, right?
Same position like that?
I think I'm gonna cut it right here, Charles. Right down at the bottom.
Here, right?
The heaviest part.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That way it'll bring it this way, right?
Yeah.
So maybe go this way, and then I'll cut that one out.
Yeah.
That should work. Maybe you should move your truck. That's a big one, right? So we don't want to dent your truck.
Okay.
Just move it forward a little bit. You're gonna have to buy one of those, eh? Because even at the very top, you'll see, like, even once we take this one out, the wire's gonna go up a little bit and it's gonna touch the other ones. But it won't be as bad, right? Let me know when you're ready. You ready?
I'm ready. Yeah, I hold it. don't cut the upper branch, you will hang up here.
Yeah.
It's dangerous.
Branches is way. Cut the branch too. Nothing touching now?
No. That one, right? We need a long for
Yeah.
that one.
Yeah.
What name for that one?
This is about 20 feet, eh?
What name? What you call that?
It's just a branch. Just go in there and say a rope branch cutter.
Yeah. We just need now.
It's barely touching.
Yeah. Just that.
Yeah. You did, like most of them are done.
Yeah.
At least you won't get a fine. You'll say that one needs to go too. But you can get one of those tomorrow or whatever and you come back and do it. Right? Should we cut that one that's hanging over top of your property? Yeah. Because it's only going to grow taller. Cut it down now, right?
Yeah, we cannot reach it, right?
Yeah, it's just right here. Right? This, that one and then that one. So those two, cut them, and then they're out of your way, and you don't have to worry about them for years. I have to go paint yet, buddy.
Oh, you have to go paint?
I have to paint the ceiling yet.
Okay.
I have to get ready for tomorrow so I can spray the ceiling with texture up in the north end. Yeah, not the one up